Ça qu'a fait. Ça qu'a fait. M'en femme. M'en femme. So, right now, you are not looking at your workbook. You're just listening to me, and you're going to répéter après moi. You are going to écouter moi, and then répéter après moi, and write down, écrit, écrit. Write down what you think the translation is, and go to the dictionary to double check your words. After you're done doing this is for your devoir set Creole to Anglais. You are going to shut down the video, go to the answer key, just compare your answers without freaking out. And then watch videos to help you understand the things you had difficulty with: possession, possessor, tenses, contractions, whatever they are. Après ça, after that, après ça, you are going to go ahead and watch the next video, which will explain, expliquer, it will expliquer the translations from English to Creole in devoir set and Creole to English for devoir set. If you still have questions, go to the Learn Haitian Creole group, ask your question, remembering to say it's for devoir set, the number, your answer, the answer key. What I explained, if a part of what I explained still didn't help you, and then we'll help you further. Okay? Okay. So this is Creole to English, Creole to Anglais, devoir set. Okay? I am just simply articulating for you to répéter après moi and try to traduire, translate. Traduit. 6. Chaque jour, moi prier pour vous. Chaque jour, moi prier pour nous. My pour nous kind of got just one N, pour nous. So it might have sounded like pour nous. Okay? Chaque jour, moi prier pour nous. Chaque jour, moi prier pour nous. 7. Ou kon ki lè yo manje chaque dimanche soir? Ou kon ki lè yo manje chaque dimanche soir? Ou kon ki lè yo manje chaque dimanche soir? Ou kon ki lè yo manje chaque dimanche soir? 8. Demain c'est mercredi. Demain c'est mercredi. Demain c'est mercredi. 9. Ou besoin aller la caillou. 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 10. Pour qui ça ou vin wem? Pour qui ça ou vin wem? Pour qui ça ou vin wem? Remember to do the 80%. Always imitate my facial expression and everything. Otherwise, you're going to be nervous and intimidated when you get in Haiti. So the more you practice, the better. And please remember, even after you translated these things, always go back to the exercice and the devoir of the Creole to English portion so you're constantly listening to me speaking in Creole and practicing translating quickly. This will sharpen your skills. And if you go, well, I've got it already, right. A toddler hears the word no 1,000 times before they start saying it, and they have it. You have to hear it over and over again, whether you know it already or not. You want to listen to these videos forever until you feel like you're completely fluent. So even when you're up to lesson 15 or lesson 20, 15 or 20, you want to go back to lesson 6, lesson 7, all of the Creole parts where you're just listening to me communicate in Creole for you to practice translating and for you to répéter, which will help your articulation exceedingly. The practice videos are huge for this. The practice videos will help you to understand and translate Creole at a faster rate. These are things I recently added to the program after the program has been on Vimeo for 4 years, because I know these will help you more than anything. Okay, get ready for the next video. This is where I explain the devoir set, English to Creole and Creole to English, for you to see how you did. Okay, like this video and get ready.